Hey guys, time for another Meg What's for dinner. It's a little chaotic in here today. Sherlock's with us, as usual. The cleaners come tomorrow for the first time. So I'm making this Instagram recipe we found that looked amazing. It's gonna be an air-fried, pre-marinated salmon. Look at how many sauces are in it. Oh my goodness. So the marinates for 20 minutes. Over here I am doing some sliced carrot, like shredded carrot with my mandolin shredder attachment thing. Got this for Christmas from many years ago for my brother, so thanks Drew, I'm still using it. I'm chopping up asparagus because Sid wants asparagus in his. It said to put shredded carrots, cucumber, and something. Get out of there, look. No, get out, naughty boy. So, yeah. And over here, we're making this beautiful jasmine rice. That's just about ready. That was to remind me that the marination is done and the rice is done, so I can start putting them in the air fryer. And here we go. And I know it's $3.90, so for 6 minutes to get the sear. 6 to 8. So let's do 7. Since we're in high altitude, things tend to take a little longer. Let's try it. Okay. I'm also doing a microwavable edamame. Simple Truth Organic. Okay, this was after 6 minutes. I'm gonna do 2 more, and I poured the rest of the marinade in it because I want it to be nice and juicy for that crunch too. So I'm thinking about doing a different bowl every week because there's so much variation so we can do with bowls. So this is gonna be like our salmon, Asian-inspired salmon bowl. We'll see how it goes. I'll show you the final results. We're almost done. And this is how it turned out, y'all. Oh, it's so beautiful. This is not doing it justice, truly. And I thought, you know, this is gonna be incredible right here. I'm gonna take a little bite. Oh my God, it is so good. So tender and crispy. I made a little more of the sauce. I know I'm gonna want sauce on it. The rice needs a little something. With jasmine rice, yum.